holidays may be the most wonderful time of the year, but it's also one of the most wasteful and financially stressful. So how can we continue to keep spreading the holiday cheer without breaking the bank or going overboard? In this video, we're going to check out the top 5 ways to make an online wish list that will save you time, money, and most importantly, your sanity. Let's dive right in. So why make an online wish list? Well, it eliminates guesswork. You know exactly what your friends or family members want or need. It doubles as a vision board. For materialistic things, no need to delete your Pinterest account. Set it and forget it. See how many of your wish list items come into your life. It eliminates waste. If you buy your cousin a pair of socks they don't want or like, they're going to end up in the trash or given away to the Goodwill. It also gives you a sense of satisfaction. Isn't it super satisfying to check things off of a list? It prevents you from making impulse purchases. When I'm looking at things online that I probably can't afford or shouldn't buy on an impulse, I just add them to my wish list and cross my fingers. And also, it's just fun. These aren't just limited to the holidays. It's great for making lists for your birthdays, Valentine's Day, and even for charities who are looking for donations. If you're not sure where to get started, check out Afterpay. Afterpay is a great way to get gifts for everyone on your list. Buy now, pay later, interest-free. They even feature small business, Black-owned business, and offer a variety of sustainable clothing and accessory stores and online shops. Okay, now once you have some items picked out, it's time to make your list. Amazon is obviously everybody's favorite. Everybody loves Amazon. It's very easy to use. Obviously, everybody has an Amazon account already. But the only thing with this is that you can make a wish list. However, it doesn't really allow you to add anything else, so everything just has to be from Amazon. So what if you want something from not Amazon? Crazy thought, huh? But there's no way to add it on here. So it's not my first choice, to be honest, but it's great. It works, it's easy, fast shipping, etc., etc. Wishslate is simple and easy to use. It's perfect for just making a simple wish list without all the bells and whistles. Gift Hero is also very easy to use and allows you to easily share public lists. It also has a cool ad browser extension, which makes it easier than ever to quickly add items to your list. Giftster has a Secret Santa feature, which is awesome for larger families and small business holiday parties. So my personal favorite is Dreamlist. There's so many options on Dreamlist. Not only can you create a wish list that you can share publicly, you can also make lists that are private and just for you if you have a shopping list or anything like that. So it's just a great place to collect all types of lists. One of the coolest things I think about this is you can actually create a savings fund. The last couple of years has been really hard financially on a lot of people. So if you need help with, larger purchases, going to school, things like that, and family and friends want to contribute, this is a way that they can do that. Another cool list you can make is just kind of acts of service. So like babysitting, maybe even cooking a nice warm meal for your mom or dad, just something that you can do for them, not so much like a gift that you would buy. Then there's an activity such as a trip, a movie, something that you can do together that you can share with your family that, I want to do a trip to Spain as a family, or, just whatever, you can add that. And maybe you had a really successful year or 2 years or whatever, you're doing great. You don't really need anything. And what do you give the person who has it all? Something back, giving back to others, donating to charity. So you can add a charity of your choice, a charitable organization of your choice, and you can just have people donate to whatever cause you like. So those are my top 5 favorite websites for making an online gift wish list. What are some of your favorites? Leave in the comments below. Also check out my to pay or Afterpay video. Afterpay is one of my favorites. It's such a great tool for online shopping when your budget's a little tight. It's buy now, pay later, interest free. Just make sure to make your payments on time. But anyways, thanks so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next video.